guys, Tim here with Chirp. You're thinking about getting a Chirp miner, or you got your Chirp miner. The purpose of this video, I want to show you how easy it is to set up. Anybody can do it. It is really plug and play. The most difficult part of mining with Chirp is actually finding a suitable location, because if you want to mine Chirp tokens, you have to properly install the miner. We allow only outdoor installations because we're forming an outdoor network in here, and you're going to be providing the signal not only to yourself but to your entire neighborhood. It is very, very important to mount the gateway outside in order to get approved for mining. So once you receive the miner in the box, you will get all of the parts. The most important is the actual miner. It's a 30 by 30 box. It is outdoor rated, so you do not need to worry about covering or doing anything extra to the gateway. It comes with two antennas. Antennas look identical, but they're actually not. And in here, there's a sticker with a frequency. And before you turn on the gateway, it's very important. In here, there's actually a warning in here because you can burn the concentrators. Make sure to connect the antennas before powering on your gateway. It is very easy to do. You just screw on the antenna on top in here, and all you have to do is just match this sticker. Make sure that it matches the print right next to the port in here, and that's it. This gateway is extremely low power, and it gets power over the Ethernet cable. What you will have to do on the miner, you will have to unscrew this middle nut right here. You unscrew it like this, and you will see an Ethernet port right there. And this is where the intranet connection will come in, and also power. So what you have to do is you have to take this nut and you have to feed it through the network cable. At first, you feed the nut, then insulation, and this larger piece. Then you plug it into the gateway, like this, until it clicks, and you screw all of the parts together. Just make sure that this rubber gasket goes inside for insulation, like this. And you screw on this nut. What you can also do is then you can take the insulation tape and you can also tape it around the nut and go slightly over the cable in here, just as an extra protection so water does not get through in here. Also, inside the box, you will see that it comes with a mounting bracket. Mounting bracket is so. So for example, you can take this and mount it to your house with just two screws right here. And it has bolts and another part. So for example, if you want to mount to a pole, you can also do it like this. So these two parts will go like this, and the pole will go right in between. Two possible ways to mount, either to a flat surface like this with two screws, or you can mount it to a pole. Very, very simple to do. It also comes with power over Ethernet adapter. Once you get to the modem, it's really easy. You just connect the power. This gets connected to the electrical outlet. And then cable from the modem. So in here there are two ports. One is PoE and the other one is LAN. PoE is power over Ethernet, and this is the cable that goes to your miner. This is where you will plug it in. And another network cable, so this could be a shorter cable because this box is going to be right next to your modem. It will go from here into your intranet. And that's it. Essentially, it's just connecting two wires, and I will show you a connected miner that I have in here, and you will see the lights will go on, and you will see that this miner is connected. The second you power it on, it joins our network, and it starts providing the signal. So you can already start automating your house and you can start adding the devices. But in order to mine, you will have to go through extra steps. It will have to be properly mounted. You will have to take a picture of the gateway and you will have to submit it for approval before you actually start mining Chirp. Your miner will come with an end device, a temperature sensor, and you will have to add this sensor to your account and just understand what you're doing, why you're installing this miner, and what are the possibilities of this miner. This is the only reason why we're including this device, so that everybody who mines with Chirp, so they understand how network functions and how easy it is to add any type of device to the network. If you guys want to see how to add those devices, I'm going to provide all of the links below. Also, if you want to purchase the miner, there's going to be a link below. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.